Welcome back to the Checkout Guy. In this tutorial, I will tell you how to set a 150 flat discount available to everyone in your Shopify store. So if you're new to the channel, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So for this, I have used Next Discount Apple Limit app from Shopify App Store. I have also attached the link of this app in the description box so you can check it out. Now we will go to the Shopify admin panel and search for Next Discounts app. Then click on Create New Discount and enter the discount title as flat 150 off. And you can copy that same title and click on discount code and enter the same discount title as discount code and click on fixed value and enter the discount value and select discount applies to all products. And you can also enter the minimum purchase requirements and for customer eligibility, select all the customers, then save your changes. Now we will test this on our online store. Go to your catalog and you can add any product to your cart and proceed to checkout. And here you can enter the test address. Now we will enter the discount code here. So you can see that flat 150 off has been applied for this particular order. So that's it. You have successfully set up how to give a flat 150 discount available to everyone in your Shopify store. So if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and happy selling.